Here's what we're unboxing today. It's a Woods 500 watt 2-in-1 halogen work light. So I think I understand what's going on here. Pull the head screwdriver right away. I'm going to take this head here and then I'm going to squeeze the cage so that it fits in between the glass and this orange power light face. Now, there's a tab on the bottom of the cage, as you can see. You take this screw, back it out, let this down over the hole and put the screw over the top, and that'll secure the cage. Alright, it's tight, nice and secure. And we're going to unscrew this knob in the back here. And then she opens. Yay! Okay, I'll go ahead and take the bulb that was provided out of the box. It really wrapped it up nice. Made sure it wasn't going to break. Alright, if you remember, take that nub, make sure it's facing forward. And then we just push on the one stud. There you have it. Fits on one end and one fits on the other. You can rotate it back and forth freely and it doesn't come out. You did good. Now we'll go ahead and we'll close this back up. And we line up that screw hole with that toggle screw so that way we can close it tightly. Not bad. I got this support bracket on the bottom here. I believe we need to take these two bolts out and run them right here to screw it right onto this base. We'll do that next. Don't know already, these are 10mm. I like to keep my fingers on the bottom so that way they don't fall through because they're just carriage bolts. And now, go ahead and line this up with those two bolts. And then I'm going to go ahead and get that bolt on there. Same with the second one. Alright, that's all complete. So, we already have it rocking like the other models are as a floor model. And let's go ahead and test this out. We'll go ahead and hit that power button after plugging her in. Oh, that's beautiful. Let's take a look at this base here. It looks like we can bring this down and we tighten it down so that way it's locked in position. Now we will take this, place it right over the top in the center here, and yeah, it would flop around and fall off all on its own, just like that. But I did give you this easy to screw on toggle here. Look at that, that's beautiful. You can even unscrew this a bit and raise it on up. Woo! And you just tighten it. And she'll stay right in that position. Isn't that amazing? Alright, beautiful. I've got a standing light. Know how much that cost me? $10. Gotta love rummage sales. Alright everyone, you have a wonderful evening. Till next time.